Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Word Journey, the place where you learn to speak English step by step through simple, natural conversations. Let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel shy or nervous when you try to speak English? Maybe you know the words, but when you try to talk, your mind goes blank, right? That's completely normal. Every English learner has been there. But here's the secret. The best way to become confident in speaking is to practice short, real-life conversations again and again. And that's exactly what we're going to do in today's lesson. In this video, you'll learn 50 simple English conversations for beginners. You'll listen to two people, Historia and Alina, as they speak in natural, everyday English. Each dialogue will help you learn how to greet people, ask questions, order food, shop, talk about your daily life, and more. You can repeat after them, listen carefully, and imagine that you are part of the conversation. The more you listen and speak, the better your English will become. So, let's get started with 50 simple English conversations for beginners, only here on Word Journey. Conversation 1. Saying hello. Historia. Hi, how are you? Alina, I'm fine, thank you. How about you? Historia, I'm good too. It's a nice day, isn't it? Alina, yes, it is. The sun is shining. Conversation 2. Introducing yourself. Historia, hello, my name is Historia. What's your name? Alina, I'm Alina. Nice to meet you. Historia, nice to meet you too. Where are you from? Alina, I'm from India. Conversation 3. Talking about the weather. Historia, it's really cold today. Alina, yes, I think winter is coming soon. Historia, do you like cold weather? Alina, not really. I prefer summer. Conversation 4. Ordering at a cafe. Historia, good morning. Can I have a cup of coffee, please? Alina, sure. Would you like milk or sugar? Historia, just a little milk, please. Alina, no problem. That will be $2. Conversation 5. Asking for directions. Historia, excuse me, where is the train station? Alina, go straight and turn right at the traffic light. Historia, thank you very much. Alina, you're welcome. Have a nice day. Conversation 6. Talking about hobbies. Historia, what do you like to do in your free time? Alina, I like reading books and painting. Historia, that's nice. I love painting too. Alina, maybe we can paint together sometime. Conversation 7. Talking about work. Historia, where do you work, Alina? Alina, I work at a hospital. I'm a nurse. Historia, that's great. Do you like your job? Alina, yes, I do. I like helping people. Conversation 8. Talking about family. Historia, do you have any brothers or sisters? Alina, yes, I have one brother. Historia, older or younger? Alina, he's younger than me. Conversation 9. At the supermarket. Historia, excuse me, where can I find the bread? Alina, it's in aisle 5, next to the milk. Historia, thank you. And where's the sugar? Alina, that's on aisle 3. Conversation 10. Buying clothes. Historia, I like this dress. How much is it? Alina, it's $30. Historia, do you have it in blue? Alina, yes, we do. Here it is. Conversation 11. Talking about food. Historia, what's your favorite food? Alina, I love pizza. Historia, me too. What topping do you like? Alina, cheese and mushrooms. Conversation 12. Making plans. Historia, are you free this weekend? Alina, yes, I am. What's up? Historia, let's go to the park. Alina, that sounds great. Conversation 13. Talking about daily routine. Historia, what time do you wake up in the morning? Alina, I wake up at 6 o'clock. Historia, that's early. Alina, yes, I like to start my day early. Conversation 14, talking about school. Historia, what did you study in school? Alina, I studied English and science. Historia, which subject did you like more? Alina, I liked English more. Conversation 15, talking about movies. Historia, did you watch any good movies recently? Alina, yes, I watched a comedy last night. Historia, was it funny? Alina, very funny. I laughed a lot. Conversation 16, asking the time. Historia, excuse me, what time is it? Alina, it's 3:30. Historia, oh, I'm late for my meeting. Alina, you'd better hurry. Conversation 17, talking about travel. Historia, have you ever been to Japan? Alina, no, but I'd love to go one day. Historia, you should. It's beautiful. Alina, I'll plan a trip soon. Conversation 18, at the restaurant. Historia, good evening. I'd like to order some food. Alina, sure. What would you like? Historia, I'll have a salad and some soup. Alina, anything to drink? Historia, just water, please. Conversation 19, at the doctor's office. Historia, I don't feel well today. Alina, what's wrong? Historia, I have a headache and a sore throat. Alina, you should see a doctor. Conversation 20, talking about the weekend. Historia, how was your weekend? Alina, it was great. I went hiking. Historia, that sounds fun. Alina, yes, it was beautiful in the mountains. Conversation 21, talking about music. Historia, what kind of music do you like? Alina, I like pop and rock. Historia, do you play any instruments? Alina, yes, I play the guitar. Conversation 22, talking about exercise. Historia, do you go to the gym? Alina, yes, 3 times a week. Historia, that's good. I need to start exercising too. Alina, you should join me. Conversation 23, talking about shopping. Historia, I love shopping for clothes. Alina, me too. What's your favorite store? Historia, I like Zara. They have nice styles. Alina, yes, and good prices too. Conversation 24, talking about birthdays. Historia, when is your birthday, Alina? Alina, it's in August. Historia, that's nice. Do you celebrate it? Alina, yes, with my family and friends. Conversation 25, talking about pets. Historia, do you have any pets? Alina, yes, I have a cat. Historia, what's its name? Alina, her name is Bella. Conversation 26, talking about favorite colors. Historia, what's your favorite color? Alina, blue. What about you? Historia, I like green. Alina, both are beautiful colors. Conversation 27, at the bus stop. Historia, does this bus go to the city center? Alina, yes, it does. Historia, how long does it take? Alina, about 20 minutes. Conversation 28, talking about future plans. Historia, what are you doing tomorrow? Alina, I'm going shopping with my sister. Historia, that sounds nice. Have fun. Alina, thanks. Conversation 29, at the library. Historia, excuse me, where can I find English books? Alina, they're on the 2nd floor. Historia, thank you. Do I need a card to borrow them? Alina, yes, you do. Conversation 30, talking about technology. Historia, do you use social media? Alina, yes, every day. Historia, which app do you like most? Alina, Instagram, of course. Conversation 31, talking about the internet. Historia, do you watch YouTube videos? Alina, yes, all the time. Historia, what do you watch? Alina, English lessons from Word Journey. Conversation 32, talking about health. Historia, do you eat healthy food? Alina, I try to. I eat lots of fruits and vegetables. Historia, that's great. I need to eat healthier too. Alina, it's not easy, but it's worth it. Conversation 33, at the airport. Historia, what time is your flight? Alina, at 8:30 tonight. Historia, are you ready to go? Alina, yes, just waiting for boarding. Conversation 34, talking about favorite drinks. Historia, do you like coffee or tea? Alina, I like tea more. Historia, I prefer coffee in the morning. Alina, tea helps me relax. Conversation 35, at the hotel. Historia, good evening. I have a reservation. Alina, welcome. What's your name, please? Historia, Historia Smith. Alina, here's your room key. Enjoy your stay. Conversation 36, talking about vacations. Historia, where did you go on vacation last year? Alina, I went to the beach. Historia, that must have been fun. Alina, it was amazing. I love the ocean. Conversation 37, talking about time. Historia, what time do you go to bed? Alina, around 11. Historia, that's late. I sleep at 10. Alina, I like to read before sleeping. Conversation 38, talking about seasons. Historia, what's your favorite season? Alina, I love spring. The flowers are so beautiful. Historia, yes, and the weather is perfect. Alina, exactly. Not too hot or too cold. Conversation 39, talking about learning English. Historia, how long have you been learning English? Alina, for about 6 months. Historia, that's great. You speak very well. Alina, thank you. I watch Word Journey videos every day. Conversation 40, talking about friends. Historia, do you have many friends? Alina, a few close ones. Historia, that's nice. Quality over quantity. Alina, exactly. Conversation 41, talking about sleep. Historia, how many hours do you sleep at night? Alina, around 7 hours. Historia, that's healthy. Alina, yes, I try to rest well. Conversation 42, talking about shopping for gifts. Historia, I need to buy a gift for my friend. Alina, what are you thinking of buying? Historia, maybe a book or a bag. Alina, a book is always a good choice. Conversation 43, talking about language learning. Historia, is English difficult for you? Alina, sometimes, but I enjoy learning. Historia, practice makes perfect. Alina, yes, that's true. Conversation 44, talking about the weekend plans. Historia, what are your plans for the weekend? Alina, I'm going to visit my parents. Historia, that's lovely. I hope you have a great time. Alina, thank you. Conversation 45, talking about the news. Historia, do you watch the news every day? Alina, not every day. Sometimes I read it online. Historia, I like watching it in the morning. Alina, I prefer reading before bed. Conversation 46, talking about dreams. Historia, what's your dream job? Alina, I want to be a teacher. Historia, that's wonderful. Why? Alina, because I love helping others learn. Conversation 47, at the pharmacy. Historia, I need some medicine for a headache. Alina, here you go. Would you like tablets or syrup? Historia, tablets, please. Alina, take one after meals. Conversation 48, talking about books. Historia, do you read often? Alina, yes, I love novels. Historia, who is your favorite author? Alina, I like Jane Austen. Conversation 49, talking about the morning routine. Historia, what do you do first in the morning? Alina, I brush my teeth and make coffee. Historia, then? Alina, then I go for a short walk. Conversation 50, saying goodbye. Historia, it was nice talking to you, Alina. Alina, nice talking to you too, Historia. Historia, see you soon. Alina, take care. Conclusion. And there you have it, 50 simple English conversations for beginners. You just practice conversations that will help you in real life, from greetings and daily talk to travel, shopping, food, and much more. Remember, the best way to improve your speaking is through repetition. Watch this video again, listen carefully, and try to speak the lines with us. The more you practice, the more confident and natural you'll sound. Thank you for joining me on today's word journey. If you found this lesson helpful, please like this video, subscribe to Word Journey, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep growing one word at a time. See you in the next video.